Ito na po ang Power 2 Wow Skin White Power Whitening 3-in-1 Face Cream Powder. Thank you very much. That's right. At syempre, kompleto ho ito. Ha? Yung bakit 3-in-1, meron silang moisturizer, whitener, at may powder finish look. Kaya mga girls, pag Power 2 Wow na kayo, mag-post na kayo. Pipiliin na ang mga 3 beautiful ladies ng Skin White. Let's do it. Omas! Skin White. Next. Pipiliin natin ang susunod. Asa na. Kailangan girly. Hello! Settle down. Let's go. Power to our pose. Next. Isa na lang. Wow! Yellow Skin White. Power whitening, let's go! 3 beautiful ladies. That's right. Oh, it's about to, hello, yan. Gaganda naman. Oh, power to pose na kayo. Let's do it. Go! Power to our pose. Come on. Mga mahihain. Smile. That's right. All right. Dali. Okay. Sabi niyong pumos. Music. Kaya kayo mag-pose. Okay, sayang naman. Nakapagkis sa bumundo. Compress, girls. One more time with posing. Paano? Halika, Pokwang. Paano? Dito, pakita mo sa kanila. Ang paano whitening. Power to pose. O, dito ka.
Ano ba naman yung mga...
Okay, pose. Ganon. O, yan, ha? 1, 2, 3. You first, go! Yan! Okay, next. Yan, mahihain. Next. Yan. Okay, thank you very much. Meron kayong Power Skin White. That's right. Yan ang gift pack from Skin White. Power Whitening. Thank you very much, guys. At meron pa kayong magkano?
2,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos, and 2,000 pesos from Skin White. Congratulations!
Okay, congratulations. Thank you very much, girls. Thank you for joining.